back guys to my channel The Unique Guide. I am Arunava Ghosh. So today our topic is the Coach Bihar, the royal city of Coach Bihar. Means you can see here the Sagar Dighi. Sagar Dighi means the pond like an ocean. In 1888, I am so sorry, in 1888 Maharaja Hitendra Narayan built it. You can call it the constructed it. You can see the view. The place attracts the migratory birds. Okay, so all kind of birds can here. You can see the place view. Please see the place view. You can see the water. This is like a just imagination out. Can you hear the song of birds? Yes, I can hear, but you have also heard. Okay, let's. So now I am discussing about the all time of kings. Yes, all time of kings of Coach Bihar. They are the list. Actually, I don't give you in a PDF or in a link because this is in my diary and my handwriting is very not good. It's just poor. Okay, so I am discussing the first king of Coach Bihar, Maharaja Vishwasingha Narsingh. Yes, this is a very difficult name. I can tell you from my mind, but I am not good in history, so I am telling from diary. I can't remember it. Sorry, please. Maharaja Vishwasingha. He reigned at Coach Bihar around 37 years from 1496 to 1533. Okay, so second Maharaja of Coach Bihar is Maharaja Nar Narayan. He reigned at Coach Bihar from 1533 to 1587. Around 54 years. Yes, this is the biggest time who reigned at Coach Bihar. And the last king of Coach Bihar is Maharaja Jagadevendra Narayan. He married British wife. Okay, he reigned at Coach Bihar around 1982 to 1950. Okay. You can see here the Madan Mohan Bari. The place is so beautiful. Let's go. You can see here many kind of gods like Madan Mohan, Ma Kali. Let's see. Come on. Actually, I love this place because this is the part of Coach Bihar. And this is very beautiful. If you want to see this, please come Coach Bihar for a tour. Let's go. In time of Corona, there was a barricade, so we can't take photos from near, but we can try it. Oh, this is very hot. All the floors are very hot. Now please come. You can see here the Ma Kali Murti. Let's go. Okay, let's go for next vlog. You can see here the actually Madan Mohan. Oh guys, this floor is very hot. Okay, let's go. Come on. What? And there is, you can see here a kind of god. So let's go. Okay, you can see here the last lot of Madan Mohan Bari. Okay, let's go for a tour. In the time of Rash Mela, we can see here many kind of dolls, the houses of dolls. Yes, you all have known about the Rash Mela, the very traditional festival of Coach Bihar. It is the biggest festival in North Bengal. You can see here the pond. The water is not very clean, but don't try a shower for it. Okay. Oh, there was a doll. Yes, and there is a doll. But why it is single, I don't know. Let's go. Okay, let's go for Rajbari. Guys, now I'm in the Royal Palace of Coach Bihar. Yes, the actual name of Royal Palace is Silver Jubilee Palace. So, let's go. In 1888, Maharaja Nipendra Narayan constructed it. It's situated into the Rajbari Stadium, means the Royal Stadium and the Royal Park. So, let's go. You can see the view. The market price of this palace is nearly 100 crores. No, nearly 1000 crores. Yes, almost 1000 crores. Okay, let's go. I don't know actually what they allow me about this camera. Okay. But I can share you photos secretly. Don't tell everyone. This is secret. Now I am in the palace. You can see here all the tiles and all the beverages, all the kings and the queens. Yes, it's beautiful. He is Maharani Indra Devi. From his name, we can know a school. Yes, come here. Maharaja Jitendra Narayan. We can know about his name from MGM Club. Coronation ceremony. Yes, Abhishek Rishab. And he is the lastest king of Coach Bihar, Maharaja Jagadipendra Narayan. You can see the pictures. It's a historical pictures and historical palace. Here all the pictures of all the time. You can see here Coach Bihar Palace and different rooms. So let's see all of the pictures. Please come here. Hey guys, you can see here a fossil of a celebrity. See there? It's a fossil of a giant mammoth. Okay, and you can see here. It's very difficult to make it. Okay, let's go with me. Please don't off the camera. Shoot all everything. This is the palace of Coach Bihar. Maharani Gayatri Devi. What's position? You can see here the artificial arts and the historical places. The flora made by wood. Please come here. Oh, in a historical palace, you can see a 5-star hotel. So let me. Hi guys, you can see at the back side of the palace. This is the back side. You can see here a different kind of stage. You can see here many types of birds like parrots. You can see upside the parrots. You can see here the many kinds of plants. I am now in Narendra Narayan Park, and Maharaja Nipendra Narayan founded it in 1895. You can see here all the things to play, and this is the agriculture thing. Actually agriculture environment. You can see here many kinds of trees. Please see them. Guys, if you like the video, please give me a like and share your friends, and also subscribe my channel. You can follow me in Instagram, name Arunabha Ghosh Official. I can give the link in the description. Okay, let's play. At the time of Maharaja Nipendra Narayan, Kochibahar faced the biggest development. You can doing exercise from here, guys, and this is the playing thing which I like also. So let's get boating. Guys, you can see here many kinds of rabbits. Actually these are one kind, but many colors. The black, white. Not in brown, but why? Oh, I don't know. Okay, but you have to know one thing. I'm sorry guys, I don't give you the ride of this train because in this corona time this is closed, and the boating you can see also closed. Guys, please comment it how much you like this video. My friend Kailash Sutradhar and Shayan Bhadro, they are very close friend of mine, and they are very much helped me to make this video. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.